Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to set up Amazon seller account. It's very easy to set up an Amazon seller account. There are numerous ways to launch an Amazon business, which is fantastic. There are also numerous ways to be successful on the site, from the business model you select to the things you choose or you chose to offer. Regardless of the kind of business strategy and the product you select, the procedures needed to launch on Amazon remain the same. So we have also steps on how to start with or how to set up an Amazon account, seller account to be exact. So we have here, you have to decide which business model you want to use, choose which fulfillment method you'll use, consider the products, apply to become an Amazon seller, and start sourcing your product. And the last thing we have is to create your product listing. So once you figure out what you plan on selling on Amazon, you have to go or you have to finish a registration process. Okay, so for example, we have here, you have to enter your name. It should be correct. Email address. This one should be existing or valid. Type your password. And after that, you have to re enter your password and then click next. Solve the puzzle, and then after that, enter the OTP that they sent to your email address. So just enter the OTP here and then tap verify. And then once you type or enter your OTP, then here it is. Welcome. So here's what you're going to expect. You have to provide your information and documents. They will verify your submission, get verified, and start selling. So you just have to finish these three steps. But of course, here's what you're going to need: a valid government issued ID or passport, like a driver's license or government ID, something like that. Recent bank account or credit card statement, changeable credit card, and mobile phone. So if you think that you have all of this, then you have to proceed with your registration process. So, business information, select a country. So, once you're done with the business location under business information, you have to select business type. Now, if you don't know anything about business type, you just have to tap this none. I am an individual seller, something like that. And here's the thing, you have to understand everything about types of business, of course, in order for you to proceed. But it's okay. You can still skip to that and just answer none. I am an individual. Okay, so again, you have to enter your first name, middle name, and last name. Please ensure your business type selection is correct. As you can see here, an individual sells in a private context. An individual does not sell a product to a company, charity, and does not operate in a business or professional context. And you have to tap this I confirm and then click agree and continue. So once you're done, or you can recheck everything before you click agree and continue. And once you're done with this, once you're sure with your details, then click agree and continue. So here we have primary contact person information, your full name, middle name, last name, country of citizenship, country of birth, residential address. Okay, we have also here date of birth, postal code, address 1, line 1, city, and then you have to type the characters above, and then you can receive a message, or you can choose call if you want, and then type, or you just have to put the code that they sent to your number. And then that's the reason why you have to enter your number here for verification. So all you have to do is to simply answer the information here. And then once you're done, click send SMS and then type the code and then click next. So that's how easy it is. Okay. Now, the next thing to do is to simply, so we have four steps to finish Amazon seller account. First is the seller information. Next, we have the billing, and then the store, and then verification. Now, if you don't know what billing looks like, because I can't proceed to that, I have to link my card, but I can't link my card. So here I'm going to show you what billing in Amazon looks like and what are the information behind this. So as you can see, we have here Amazon billing information. You have to provide your information. And what is this Amazon billing information or Amazon billing? Your chargeable charges are displayed on a month basis on the AWS Bills page. The Bills page will show the most current unexpected services metered thus far for monthly billing periods that haven't yet ended. When a monthly billing cycle ends, subscriptions or one-time purchase are made, or both invoices are generated. Users of AWS organizations can examine consolidated charges for all members' accounts while signed into the management account. Account level detail is provided on the Charges by Account tab. Details on services offered by AWS as well as purchases made through the AWS marketplaces are available on the AWS Bills page. Next, we have is store information. Okay, so you can design your own distinctive brand, appears, and feel for Amazon Store using the Store Builder. You are in control as you create a distinctive consumer experience. So, what's inside the store? Okay, store and product information. You have to answer a few questions about your business so they can assist you during onboarding. The answers you provide do not impact your ability to register for a selling account. Okay, so they just need your store name. Sample questions are: do you have universal product codes? Do you have any diversity certifications? Are you the manufacturer or brand owner? So on and so forth. But it's not that really hard question. And it doesn't matter. But all you have to do is to answer these questions for at least they have a bit information about your capability. Okay, so the next we have here is verification. Okay, lastly, for verification process, you have to upload document. Okay, you need to provide your information, name, date of birth, country of citizenship, identity data. You have to upload your passport. Also, residential address, you have to provide that. Additional document, choose a document type from the drop-down list, for example, bank account statement, and that's it. Now, once you're done providing the information, then you can now or you are now ready to set up Amazon seller account and sell your products. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.